Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Queen Ariana from Barbie as the island princess in Dress to Impress. Okay, this is for the outfit guys. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to color it with this brown color. And then you can put on this ribbon, make it this red color. And also this ribbon, make it red. And then put on this heels and you're going to make it the same red color. Okay, and the next one guys, I'm going to go to this area, this top area, and select this cursor. And then for the color, you're going to make it this color. For the first selection, this is for the color code, and then the next selection you're going to make it this yellow color, and then make it this color, the red color. Okay, for the third selection and also the fourth selection. And then the next one guys, I'm going to go to this area, this world culture clothing area, and put on the skirt. Okay, choose only skirt, and then you're going to make it this red color. Okay, just make them all red like this, and then you're going to make the material glitter. Alright, and then I'm going to select this skirt, and again we're going to make it this red color for the first selection and also the second selection, and then make it glitter. And I'm going to move to this area and put on the sleeves, and then we're going to make it red. Again, make it glitter. Okay, and then you're going to put on the sleeves, this one guys, and make it red and make it glitter. Alright, and I'm going to put on this ribbon, make it red and make it glitter. Okay, done. And I'm going to go to the changing room, and I'm going to put on this dress. I'm going to choose only skirt, no layer, and make it this red color for the first section and also the second section. And then we're going to make it glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this skirt, remove the layer, and then we're going to make it this color and make it glitter. And I'm going to put on this corset from the witch set. I'm going to make it this red color for the first selection until the third selection. And for the lace, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, done. Okay, and again guys, you're going to change the material to glitter. I'm going to select the sleeves from the Madoka set, and for the first selection, I'm going to make it red, and for the third selection, make it yellow. Okay, you can apply this yellow color. Okay, and then for the material, again, you're going to make it glitter. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to dress like Queen Ariana from Barbie as the island princess in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!